Mahatma Gandhi, the peaceful fighter a long time ago, in a country called India, a small baby was born on October 2nd, 1869, in a town called Porbandar. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. But people later called him Mahatma Gandhi. The word Mahatma means great soul. Gandhi was a simple boy. He was shy and quiet, but he always tried to tell the truth. His parents taught him to be honest, kind, and respectful. As a child, he loved stories about brave people and always wanted to help others. Learning and growing when he grew older, Gandhi went to England to study law. He became a lawyer and then went to South Africa to work. In South Africa, he saw something that changed his life. One day, he was sitting in a train. Even though he had a first-class ticket, a white man told him to leave because he was not white. Gandhi refused to go, so they threw him off the train. He was shocked and sad. He saw that people with dark skin were treated badly. He felt this was very wrong. He decided to stay in South Africa and fight against this unfair treatment, not with anger or violence, but with peace and love. The power of peace. Gandhi believed in a special idea called non-violence. This means never hurting anyone, even if they hurt you. He also believed in truth and called his method satyagraha, which means truth force. He led peaceful protests. He told people not to fight with weapons but to use peace to show their strength. Many people joined him. Slowly, the world started to notice him. After many years in South Africa, Gandhi returned to India. He saw that British rulers were treating Indian people badly. They had taken control of the country and were making unfair laws. Fighting for India's freedom, Gandhi wanted to help India become free. But he did not want to use guns or war. He wanted to fight with peace, love, and truth. He started many peaceful movements. He asked people to stop buying British goods and wear clothes made in India. He led the Salt March, a long walk of over 240 miles to the sea, to make salt, which the British had made illegal. He told people not to pay taxes or obey unfair laws. The British rulers were angry. They put Gandhi in jail many times. But Gandhi never gave up. He smiled, stayed calm, and kept praying and helping others. Inspiring the world even in jail, Gandhi's words were powerful. People all over India, rich and poor, young and old, followed him. They stopped fighting and started using peace as their weapon. His message spread around the world. People like Martin Luther King Jr. in America and Nelson Mandela in South Africa said Gandhi inspired them. He showed that one person, with peace and love, could change the world. India becomes free after many years of peaceful struggle. On August 15, 1947, India became free from British rule. It was a great victory, not just for India, but for peace and truth. But soon after, trouble started between people of different religions in India. Gandhi was very sad. He prayed and fasted to bring peace. On January 30, 1948, a man who did not agree with Gandhi's ideas shot and killed him. The whole world cried. A man who had only love in his heart was gone. Gandhi's legacy today. Gandhi is remembered as the father of the nation in India. His life teaches us, truth is powerful. Peace is stronger than violence. One person can make a big difference. Gandhi did not have money or power. He wore simple clothes, ate simple food, and lived a simple life. But his heart was full of courage. His story shows us that no matter where we come from, we can stand for what is right, not by hurting others, but by being kind, brave, and true.